Okay, back to the shoe frame, the boot frame. Right here, I'm making a transformer, and I have two separate coils for induction and to increase the amps and the charge. There, I have the other part of the boot frame with the biaxial ROM. It does pan and tilt. Um, here is here is a motor, a vacuum motor. It is usually found in a vacuum, a horsepower vacuum motor. This is a horsepower vacuum motor, and it has, I think, under 100 turns, and is stationed at the commuter, stack commuter iron frame, galvanized, I believe, coated. Um, this is a brush motor, and torque force is, I believe it's 1 horsepower, a little bit over 1 horsepower torque. And as you see the localization of the coil, induction coil, you have the brushes, you have the induction coil here within vector to magnetize and to cause the torque run in, to turn in rotation. This is an iron and not a diamagnetic. However, the armature you see have bearings of copper localized on it, and that's about 1 point something horsepower. Okay. Now, as far as this being an aluminum block, a diamagnetic, repulsive to electromagnetic eddy currents. Now, this have more turns than the turns that are localized here. The idea is to increase through induction using a synchronous induction coil to increase the charge local to another, like a transformer, a diamagnetic transformer. And when I finish, the entire boot frame is going to rise. I'm going to have about more than 7,000 feet of turns, so a little bit more than 7,000 feet of turns to of this body armor levitation machine, manned UAV transformer. So, in addition to that, I'm still working on the foot bottom, and this is the foot pad. And I'm going to add the synchronous biaxial ROM there for the panning and tilt for self-balance. It can articulate a turn from left to right, and it shall be coil bearings and permanent magnets. Now I'm going to stabilize this bracket right here that I have for this panning of the foot like a robot for rearing left and right. This is the stabilizer as far as these flat parts stabilize it so it doesn't fall over. It stands straight up in the ear. Okay. Now, this is going to, the following things I will tell you in the next footage.